Okay guys, to begin our bookmaking, we're going to do a Japanese stab binding stitch. So for the first step, we'll need to get 8 pieces of paper to make a 16-page book. Okay, for our second step, we're going to fold our paper in half. And then we're going to use this ruler as a bone folder to smooth out our crease. You're going to do this with each piece of paper. Okay, for step 3, we're going to rearrange our papers how we want them. For this book, we're doing a paperback book, so think about what do you want, what color you want for your cover and the back page, and then also think about your end pages as well, what colors. So with mine, I'm keeping the white for the cover, and then my end pages will be these colors. So I put them in order, like that. Okay, for step 4, we're going to make a template for our binding holes. We're going to start off by measuring 1 inch from the left side of your paper. Then you're going to connect them. Then you're going to fold your paper 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you'll unfold it. And then you're going to put a dot on every crease, every other crease. And there's your template. Okay, for step 5, we're going to take our template that we just made and we're going to line it up with one of our signatures. We're going to line it up with the crease. And then we're going to take our clips. This is to hold our template in place. Okay, for step 6, after you punch all your holes in your signature, you're going to start to thread your needle. So thread your needle and leave about 4 inches of string out, like that. Okay, for step 7, you're going to find the middle of your text block. You're going to go 4 signatures down. And grab the top. Then you're going to thread your needle through the bottom second hole. I'm going to pull all the way through until about 4 to 5 inches of thread. You're going to leave that. You're going to leave it in the middle. For step 8, you're going to thread your needle to the back of the second hole. For step 9, you're going to thread your needle the top of hole 3. For step 10, you're going to do it again and you're going to thread your needle the top of 3. Step 11, you're going to thread your needle the bottom of hole 4. For step 12, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to go to the bottom of the 4th hole. Step 13, you're going to bring your thread off to the side and you're going to loop it to the back of hole 4. Step 14, I'm going to weave my needle through the holes. I'm going to start with the top of 3, then the bottom of 2, and then back over to the first hole. Step 15, you're going to run your needle the top of hole 1. Then you're going to take it to the side and run it again to the top of hole 1. step 16, I'm going to run my needle to the back of hole 2, but this time instead of going all the way through, I'm going to push it through to the middle of our text block, and then I'm going to tie it to this string here.